Hey friends, today I'm so excited to share the full reveal of my newest digital collection, Flowers of the Soul. This kit includes 40 pages of grungy, vintage inspired designs, a warm sunflower, chalky palette. Here's what's inside. And now I want to share the seamless journal pages. Now, I reduced my pages to shrink to fit, and I did landscape, but you can print these 8.5 if you would like. And as I said, it's 40 pages. Some of the backing pages are not here, but you will see them on the Ko-fi site. Next, I will show you the front and the back covers. Totally optional, but I think it's, there for you to consider using. Now, there's the envelope. These Latina ladies are absolutely beautiful. You will receive three larger portraits, and I did reduce these into squares and some circles, but they're absolutely gorgeous. And if you want to craft along with me, be sure to come for Hearts in Harmony episode 2, where I'll show you how to make a full journal using this kit from start to finish and share a surprise element I've never used before. And be sure to grab the full Flowers of the Soul digital kit right now over at my Ko-fi site. And until next time, thank you.